Hello, welcome today to the topic we have, which is binomial expansion. If you have been following my works on binomial expansion, you see that I have worked on Pascal triangle, which is also a way of expanding binomials. These are called binomials in the sense that there are two terms in the bracket because 2 implies by. You can have 1, 2, 1, 2 here. There are two terms in the bracket, hence this is a binomial. So apart from the Pascal triangle, we can still use another method, which is the combination or the binomial theorem to expand terms like this. Now, before I solve this question, let's assume we have a plus b power of n, and we are to expand this. Just call it n combination 0 a dot b. The power here becomes n. A has the power of n, while b has the power of 0. Plus, you move again to n combination 1. A we now have a power of n minus 1. B we have a power of 1 plus n combination 2. Here we have a power of n minus 2. B we have a power of 2 plus n combination 3. Here we have a power of n minus 3. B we have a power of 3 plus to whatever power you are going to. Then finally you can now have b power of n, and so on and so forth. So this is the trick you have to employ if you want to take an expansion like this. So let us practicalize it using the first and second problems here to see how expansions or terms like this can be expanded. Okay, so for the first question, we have 1 plus x to the power of 4. To expand this is 1. It's always easy when this is 1. Okay, so I will call this n. My n is the power, which is 4. Combination 0, I have 1 to the power of my power, which is 4, times x to the power of 0, plus this will turn to 4 combination 1. This one, the power turns to 4 minus 1. That is when we have n minus 1, which is now 3, dot x will increase to 1, plus 4 combination 2. 1 will reduce to 2, x will increase to 2. 1, it increases to 2, plus I'll say have 4 combination 3. 1 will come down to 1. X will increase to 3. Plus 4 combination 4. 1 comes down to 0. X increases to 4. So once you reach to 4 combination 4, when this and this are the same, you stop. Then you simplify. 4 combination 0 will give us, if you know combination very well, 4 combination 0 is something as 4 factorial over 0 factorial, 4 minus 0 factorial, which is 4 factorial. Then times 1, because 1 power of 4 is 1, times 1 again, x power of 0 is 1, plus 4 combination 1 is something as 4 factorial over 1 factorial, then 3 factorial. To get 3, you say 4 minus 1, which is 3, dot 1 power of 3 is 1, dot x, plus 4 combination 2 means 4 factorial over 2 factorial. 4 minus 2 will still give you 2 factorial. 1, because 1 power of 2 is 1, dot x squared, plus, coming here, 4 combination 3 is 4 factorial over 3 factorial. 4 minus 1 is still 1 factorial. 1 power 1 is 1, dot x power of 3. Then plus 4 combination 4 is just 4 factorial over 4 factorial. 4 minus 4 is 0 factorial, dot 1, dot x power of 4. Now we sum up. 4 factorial, we cancel 4 factorial. We are left with 1 times 1. This will give us 1. Note that 0 factorial is still 1. Now, 4 factorial over 3 factorial is the same thing as saying 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial. Okay? Because 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then multiply by our x, plus this is 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over 2 factorial times 2 factorial here, x squared, plus we come down here. This will give us 4 factorial for this one over, or 4 factorial is 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial x cubed, plus this thing 4 factorial cancel 4 factorial. We are left with x power of 4. Okay, so I'll complete it up here. Now we have 1 plus this cancels out. We have 4 times x, which is 4x, plus this cancels out. 2 factorial is 2, and 4 divided 2 will give us 2. 2 times 3 is 6, so we have 6x squared. 6x squared plus coming here again, this will cancel out. We have 4 times x cubed, it will give us 4x cubed, then plus x power of 4. And this is just the answer. So if you expand this particular term here, you are going to get these expressions. So let's take the second one. So this is what you have in the second question, x minus 2y power of 5. So this will be the same thing as any combination 0, x to the power of 5 times minus 2y power of 0 plus, we have n, but our n is 5, so I can call this 5, plus again 5 combination 0 here. After 0 you have 1. X, the power of x will reduce to 4, dot minus 2y will increase to 1, plus we have 5 combination 2, x power of 4 dot 2y minus 2y will now increase. This is 3 because here is 4, so here we have 3. This will now increase to 2, plus we still have 5 combination 3. We have our x, the power of x here will now decrease to 2, dot minus 2y will increase to 3, plus 5 combination 4. We have our x to the power of 1 minus 2y will increase to 4, and finally 5 combination 5. We have x power of 0 dot minus 2y to the power of 5. When you get to 5 combination 5, you stop. So this is the same thing as 5 combination 0 without wasting time is 1. Okay, and anything power of 0 is 1. So we are left with x power of 5. X power of 5 plus 5 combination 1 means 5 factorial over 1 factorial is 1. 5 minus 1 factorial is 4 factorial. Then x power of 4 dot minus 2y, because this power of 1 is minus 2y, plus 5 combination 2 is just 5 factorial over 2 factorial. 5 minus 2 will give us 3 factorial. X power of 3 dot, if I square minus 2, I will get 4y squared, plus, because the power here is affecting everything here, plus the next thing here is 5 combination 3, and 5 combination 3 is 5 factorial over 3 factorial. 5 minus 3 will give us 2 factorial. We have our x squared times, when I cube this, I have minus 8y power of 3. I'll continue from here, plus 5 combination 4 is 5 factorial over 4 factorial. 5 minus 4 is 1, no need. We have x dot, if I raise this to the power of 4, I will get 16y power of 4, plus, know that 5 combination 5 is 1, and this is x power of 0 is 1, so there are nothing. We are left with this value. And if I raise it to the power of 5, I will get minus 32y to the power of 5. Okay, now we shall have x power of 5 plus 5 factorial over 4 factorial is something as 5 times 4 factorial over 4 factorial. If I multiply this, I will get minus 2x to the power of 4y. Okay, plus this is something as 5 times 4 times 3 factorial, because I'm seeing 3 factorial here, over 2 factorial, 3 factorial. Then this multiplies, I will have 4 x cubed y squared, plus the something that happens here will happen here. So have 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial, 2 factorial. If I take this multiplication, I have minus 8x squared y cubed. Okay, I come over here. This will be the same thing as 5 times 4 factorial over 4 factorial. I have x, okay, 16xy to the power of 4, then minus 32y to the power of 5. I'll clean up here and okay, so from here we have x power of 5. This cancels out to have 5 times minus 2 will give us minus 10 x power of 4y plus, coming here, this cancels out. 2 factorial is 2. When I divide 4 by 2, I have 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 4 is 40. So I have 40 x cubed y squared. The same thing, 3 factorial cancels out. 4 divided 2 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times minus 8 is minus 80 x squared y cubed. I'll come to this place. 4 factorial will cancel 4 factorial. We'll have 5 times 16 will give us 80. So it will be plus 80 x y power of 4. Then minus 32 y power of 5. And this is just the expansion of this. If you enjoyed what you've watched, kindly subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any content coming from this binomial expansion. Thank you.